8940 Candice Creek. Remove satellite dish, landscape cleanup. Looks like irrigation lines that are exposed. I don't know if we want to power wash this area. It's a PM call. I would do the driveway because there's some stains on it, but also the garage smells pretty bad. I say 100% repaint. Replace these blinds with our normal 2.5 inch faux wood blinds. So that's 4 in this room. Then we have an actual bedroom down here that needs 2 new blinds. Has a closet and everything. 5 blinds plus a vertical in this room. This seems like it needs to be painted to me. It would just be kind of unfortunate because the rest of the cabinets look really good. So, I don't know, it just looks unfinished. That's a PM decision. So garage smells bad. I don't think it's too big of a deal. I know the PM has said at one point that, you know, people don't really mind too much. They don't tend to hang out in the garage usually. But a power wash might help with the smell a bit. We want a gooseneck faucet. We already have an undermount sink. I could not get this door open. I think it's a little stopper at the bottom. I think it might be broken. But we don't have any pavers, so it might be nice to install some 8x10 pavers. So we have a powder room right off the front. We need to remove this sticker, put a blind on. Carpet looks good. So these are 5 blinds all across this area in the loft. There actually are neighbors right across the street with windows that would see right into this area, plus this window for the neighbor on the other side of the blind. So you might actually want those. That's a PM call. Two blinds in here. This is the master. Carpet looks good. Sorry, 3 blinds. I'm not sure what I said. It's nice there's tile. We always want tile. We need a blind there. Counters look nice and clean. Cabinets look good. Light fixtures look fine. Exhaust fan looks dirty. Just needs to be cleaned. Hopefully it works well. Seems to be operating. Of course we need a blind in here, and we need closet door guides. The door handles don't all match. It's kind of a low fan, but it is nice. It's big for this room, but it looks new. It's nice. Closet door guides here. 3 blinds. Carpet looks good. And possibly match handles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 upstairs. And that's it.